right, today we're going to talk about the marketing triangle. This triangle will consist of the market, the media, and the message. So you have to make sure your audience or your market is targeted. So for instance, you can't really target the whole entire population of women. It's too generic. So for example, try to break it up into blacks who are interested in business or travel per se. So your message equals basically your story. And your story equals engagement. And your engagement will eventually turn into sales. The last part is media. What kind of media do you want? Do you want pictures, videos, or blogs? It's really up to you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!